Got it figured out. I want to let you know what you can expect for today. First of all, heading out the door this morning, temperatures a little bit cooler than they've been the past couple of mornings. We're seeing a few clouds here in the southern Willamette Valley. Otherwise, we're going to continue to see those clouds breaking up. Also, still seeing a few isolated snow showers across Cascade Passes. Most of this is from San Am Pass up north toward Mount Hood. And then also seeing a few snow showers as you head across the Coast Range. Now, temperatures chilly up north, 29 degrees right now in Portland. As you head further south down the I-5 corridor, back up to 35 right now here in Eugene. Head out to the coast, mid to upper 30s for you as well. And as you head inland across the Cascades, it is down to teens this morning in central and eastern Oregon. And it's some of that cold air which is going to start to sneak up over the Cascades and right here into western Oregon starting as early as tonight. So here's what we have going on. High pressure sitting just offshore. That's what's blocking any storms from coming here into western Oregon for the next 4 days. First of all, we have this area of low pressure up to the north of us. That one's actually going to head south coming up Thursday. If you have plans on traveling up over the Siskiyous or into northern California, coming up at the end of the week, you may run into that storm. But as for western Oregon and for most of us, we should actually be spared from that one. But the one that I'm concerned about is this one, which is still well out into the central and southern Pacific, still developing. And that one is going to get here Saturday morning. The storm itself is actually pretty warm. You can see it's starting down south. It's going to tap into that warm tropical moisture. But before it gets here, it's going to slam into that cold Arctic air mass, which is starting to move in and will continue to move in here from central Canada. This is the jet stream forecast, looking at the pressure up about halfway into the atmosphere. And you can see here about 48 hours from now, that cold Arctic air is going to come from central Canada. It's going to swing out over the Pacific, over Vancouver Island, and then right here into the Pacific Northwest. So that cold air continuing to sneak further down to the south and to the west. And as it does, our temperatures are going to plummet to the coldest levels we've seen since back in early December. Won't be quite that cold, but it is going to be close. And then again, we'll follow that with that storm coming up on Saturday. So the bottom line, light snow showers in the mountains today, dry clearing for the rest of us. And we are going to be below freezing tonight by several degrees. We'll continue to be dry and extremely chilly Wednesday all the way through Friday. And then again, preparing for that wintry mix for the valley and for the Cascades coming up on Saturday. By Sunday, it's going to be warm and we'll see all of that change back to rain. So for the coast, it's low to mid 40s for you, dropping to the upper 20s and low 30s tonight. Partly cloudy, but again, definitely already seeing those cooler conditions. Winds will continue to be from the northeast. The Umpqua Basin low to mid 40s for you today, falling down to the upper 20s tonight. Again, it is a cloudy start. There'll be a sunny finish. The Cascades low 20s down into the single digits and teens tonight. Few isolated snow showers remain, but you'll just be dry and cold for the remainder of the week. Central Oregon staying below freezing and even into the afternoon, and then we'll drop down into those single digits overnight. Could see a few snow flurries yet this morning, otherwise cooler and dry later on today. For the valleys, low 40s for high temperatures, low 20s for low temperatures tonight. Again, continuing to see those temperatures drop, but sunny skies on the way later today. For the coast, you'll see your high temperatures drop to the upper 30s by Thursday. Overnight lows down below freezing tonight all the way through Friday night. And it should be just a regular rain for you starting Saturday, continuing through Monday. For the Umpqua Basin, you see your high temperatures drop about 10 degrees here by the end of the week. Overnight lows down into the low 20s. Seeing that snow rain mix initially Saturday, eventually mixed with more rain as we head further into the weekend. Cascades extremely cold. We're going to see wind chill values sub-zero levels. Those lows will be in the single digits with high temperatures in the teens. Snow showers start Saturday. It'll mix back to rain by Sunday. And for the valley, again, clearing out today, chilly, cold through Friday, and then we'll see that wintry mix could start out as snow or freezing rain Saturday. All depends on how fast that moisture gets here, and we'll continue to keep you updated here throughout the week.